Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. So I am so happy to be back. I know I took a couple of weeks off just with everything happening in our world. I missed you guys so much. I missed filming and editing and just keeping you guys updated with everything. So I thought, what better way to come back than to do a luxury haul since we all are still in quarantine, especially if you're in California, which is crazy how long this quarantine is going. But they just opened up our malls, which was super exciting, and I saved so much money in quarantine without going shopping. As soon as the malls opened up, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to go shopping now. And of course, I spent all the money that I saved during quarantine. So I'm not a good saver. But anyways, let's get into this video. You already know what it is based on the title, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first store that I went to post-quarantine was Gucci. No surprise there. And of course we did social distancing, and you have to wear your mask and you have to, do 6 feet apart and everything. And it was so different being around people. So the first item that I got is a sweater, and it looks like this. So the really cool thing about this sweater and why it is probably my favorite item that I purchased is because this color. I don't have anything that's this color of pink. This is actually my favorite color. And then the other thing is that it's actually cropped. A lot of Gucci sweaters are super oversized like this one, and this one is more fitted and cropped. And since I'm a lot shorter, it actually doesn't fit me like a crop top. It fits me like a normal size sweater. And so I actually really like this, my favorite thing ever, and especially the color. The next item that I got was a t-shirt, and what I've been doing is instead of asking for the Gucci boxes, and I have like all these random boxes all around my room, I've been asking for the garment bags, just like this one. And actually they've been a lot more helpful because it keeps the the sweaters from getting dirty. So the shirt looks like this. So I really love the orange color. I like more bright colors now. I think a lot of my Gucci clothes are black like this one, but I like that it has the orange, and it's from the I Know Everything About Love collection from Gucci, which is pretty neat. And then I like how it's like a lightweight shirt. It's not something that's like super thick, especially now that we're going into summer. This is a really cute shirt. I actually wore this the other day and I got a lot of compliments on it. So definitely recommend this. And I actually have a black sweatshirt with this exact design. And so I thought that was pretty neat. So now I have the t-shirt. Okay, so this next item is actually pretty old. I bought it before quarantine and I actually never showed you guys, so I was like, I might as well put it in this video. And so I got this Gucci phone cover. So this one's a lot different. I love all the colors, guys. I've been so into color lately, and so I thought this was really cute. You can probably see it in some of my Instagram posts that when I take pictures in the mirror, it just adds so much color to the picture. So I really like this compared to the other ones that are just more like the traditional black and green. So definitely recommend this. It was actually not that bad. I believe it was like $300, and this was from their new collection before quarantine hit. Okay, the next store that I went to was Louis Vuitton, and I am adding to my shoe collection, and I'm so excited about these because when me and my mom went, at first I was like, I don't know, I don't like them. And let me just show you what they are first. They are these shoes. I am obsessed with these. After I tried them on, they are so comfortable, and if you've seen my previous luxury hauls, I have these exact shoes, but instead of right here where it's the jean print, it's actually all white monogram. So the jean, print was, I thought, a pretty neat feature. It's pretty unique. I haven't seen too many people with these, and especially the fact that it's blue, so you can wear these with like jean shorts or just anything, and it actually spices up your outfit because of the actual jean material. So I thought that was pretty neat. They seem really heavy, but they're actually not. And I got these in a size 35.5, which is a 5.5, and so they fit pretty true to size, which I kind of really liked that. And so these, you're gonna see these a lot more often because they're honestly really, really cute. I also forgot to mention that the shoes come with these bags, so when you're traveling, it's just easier to keep them clean. So it's pretty cool. Okay guys, so I was editing and then I forgot to tell you guys about the story of what happened when we were purchasing the Louis Vuitton shoes. So me and Mom were in the store and they were about to close. So we got in like 15 minutes before they were about to close because they closed early now that the mall just opened up. And so we're shopping, whatever, and the guy's like, don't worry, take your time, you have time. So then they closed at, I believe it was 7, and we left like around 8. So I should tell you like a big gap. So after we finished, our advisor was like, okay, so I can't work overtime, so my manager's going to like package all your stuff and then he's gonna bring it out to you guys. So we were like, yeah, okay. So we're waiting in the store. It's completely empty. There's no other workers or anything, and we're just waiting. And it was kind of eerie because like during that, some of the lights started turning off and we were like, did they forget we were still in the store? So we're just still waiting, and then finally my mom's like, I'm gonna go knock on the back door and see if like anyone's here. And so finally the manager came out and gave us our stuff, and he was like, I'm so sorry it took so long. I couldn't find like the right box for this. And so we were like, okay, but it was so eerie. So I took a video clip and I'm gonna insert it right after this clip so you can see no one was in the store but us, which was kind of a weird experience. So thought I would let you guys know that. The next store I went to again was Gucci, and I got, oh guys, so I got a sweater, but it's actually not in here. I took it to the cleaner, so that's disappointing. But I will show you in my next video exactly what it looks like once it gets out of the cleaners. So there's that. But I have some other stuff. Okay, I also got some new Gucci shoes, and the cool thing about these is that me and my mom decided to get matching shoes, which was pretty neat for us to have matching Gucci shoes. And they look like this. They come in like this little bag. And ignore my nails, they look so bad during quarantine. They're just all over the place. But these shoes were pretty cool because they have like this random blue on the back, which I thought this was such a pretty blue. And usually their shoes are like a beige color, not necessarily white. And they're like the traditional red and green. And these were blue with the tennis logo. So I thought that was like a unique feature. And we actually have this t-shirt to match it. So I will definitely be wearing these shoes a lot often. And these are really easy to keep clean as well, because if you do get them dirty or scuffed, it just automatically comes off, which is pretty cool. And these shoes I got a size 35 in, which is a size 5. And these as well are pretty true to size. And the Gucci shoes also come with these cute little silk bags for you to put your shoes in so they don't get dirty. Okay, last but not least, I went to the Gucci store again, and I got this really cool t-shirt, and it is from the Gucci Boutique collection. So this t-shirt does run oversized, and I got a size small in it. But I love how it says Gucci Boutique. I just think that's so cool. It kind of looks similar to the sweater, but I like it a lot just to go with some light gray biker shorts, even black biker shorts, because you guys know I live in biker shorts. So I really liked this pattern for it. That is all that I got from my luxury shopping spree. Because I think I went a little bit overboard, seeing how we were in quarantine and couldn't shop for 3 months. And so I think I went a little bit overboard. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to comment down below what was your favorite item that I purchased, because mine is probably the pink Gucci sweater, just because the color is so, like, it's just a pop of color for summer. So I really enjoyed that one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because new videos are coming soon. See you in my next video. Bye.